In this video, I'm going to show you how to add this simple voice chat plugin to your Bisecthosting server. So the first thing you want to do is you want to load into your Bisecthosting account and please select on your server. Make sure that your server is offline by pressing on stop before we do this. Afterwards, please go to the left menu, then select over here where it says Minecraft Tools. Then you'll see this option that says Plugins. So go ahead and press on that. Then you want to select over here where it says All Plugins, and then you will see Simple Voice Chat right over here. Then you want to press on Install. Then you want to select on the stable version of Bucket. Then what you want to do is you want to press on Open Plugin page over here as well. And also you want to press on Install just like so. And the reason why we installed this page over here is because we need to go ahead and actually install Simple Voice Chat on both the server, which we just did right now, and also on our local device. So you will need to install this mod on your system as well in order for you to actually join the server. But anyways, as you're able to tell, here it is, Simple Voice Chat. We can go ahead and press on Home. Then you guys can go ahead and press on start and then join the server. But again, make sure that whenever you join the server that you have Simple Voice Chat in your mods folder in order for it to work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.